Satelite ejeyombekyerwa hahurire the Uganda COVID-19 Response and Emergency Preparedness Project kandi etirwe mu sente aba banka y'ensi yona egenderire kutamana omu kwetebekanisiza endwara z'amaani ezirikubarukaho mu ihanga kandi etirwe mu sente aba banka y'ensi yona egenderire kutamana omu kwetebekanisiza endwara z'amaani ezirikubaruka omu kyanga kya Rwenzori. Endwara ezi harimu nka Ebola, Marburg hamwe n'ezindi nyingi.
Thank you so much.
Mbagala nnyo naye eggwanga lisinga nze obunene, eggwanga lisinga ffe obunene. Mbasaba ebikolwa ebitisa ebyennyamiza abalwadde ne gavumenti n'abantu ba bulijjo mubiveemu. Nze nja kusiba ngende munyeyika nkole sitiimu ne sawuna enkya ngende ndabe ku kwini wange ebusoga nga guli mukomera Katojjo. So muve mu bikolwa ebyokubba, ebyokutuuka leeti, ebyobutagala kukola, ebyokulwanyisaganya, ebyo byonna ebize emabega service mubiveemu.
Omulimo gw'okujombeka gukatandika omu mwaka gw'2023 kandi gukamaraho sente obuhumbi 4 omu sente za Uganda otiireho kandi kahumbi kamwe n'obukiikuru 300 ezakoresibwe kutamu ebyokukoresa.
So we are happy that the test menu in the lab is increasing, but also the service menu is increasing. And that is the mandate of the regional referral hospital. And we hope that Fort Portal really you will continue, and I have no doubt that you will improve.
Dr. Diana Twine uri omuhandiiki w'entuura habwa minisitule y'ebyamagara ahantu hayorekire kurungi kubahereze kutamana omukombeka amarwariro ngu kandi obwahatamana nibazagata habashaho.
The light is concentrating now. We are just putting the torch on the human resource. We have done this infrastructure. We have expanded the services. We have brought nearer the services. 91% of the population of Uganda now are within 5 kilometers reach, which many years was like 40%. So we have brought the services nearer to the people. The life expectancy has improved. The maternal mortality has reduced. Thank God for this man who works day and night. This one in the middle here. Omwana wanyu watoro nakora ebintu by'amaani.
Means that we're going to improve our diagnostic capacity. And Dr. Susan, I want to thank you very, very much. And I know we still need your support as yesterday. And we are committed because the Minister of Health is really very, very concerned in patient care.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Tsingwire.